Ever wondered how your car could become your ultimate tech companion? Let's dive into a tale of innovation where vehicles meet gadgets when BYD, name synonymous with electric vehicles, is branching out. Their latest venture, a tablet that slides right into your SUV, promising a seamless digital experience. Details are scarce, but BYD hints at a gadget ready to play nice with cars. Expect multi-screen magic and versatile modes for every need. Fengcheng Bao Tai 7, the star SUV, rolls off the assembly line. It would talk about by year end. Watch as it claims its spot in showrooms near you. Urbanites, there's Tai 3 EV, a sleek addition to Fengcheng Bao's lineup, capturing city hearts. Car brands aren't just sticking to wheels these days. And Xiaomi, Huawei, and NIO join the tech fray, blending tablets and phones with sedans and fastbacks. NIO, though, might hang up its phone-making gloves, weighed down by financial burdens. Amidst all this, BYD's tablet could redefine car integration. Will it replace your phone? And only time will tell. Remember, folks, if you enjoyed this tech tidbit, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, here's a fun fact. BYD's tablet might just be the missing piece in your car's tech puzzle. Keep an eye out.